Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to sell clothes on Roblox. Firstly, you have to open your browser and in the search panel, type Roblox. I'll go to the Roblox website. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then on the left side, click on Inventory. Now you will usually find any of your clothing items in the classic clothing section as well as the separate clothing sections found on the inventory tab. So I'll just go to classic clothings and shirt section, then click on any shirt. Now by clicking on the three dots, an option called sell will appear in front of you. You have to just press sell in order to sell your clothing item. After you have pressed sell, a new tab will open asking you to name your price, which of 30% of the price will go to the Roblox as fees. And after you've put the price, you can sell your item in the marketplace. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.